You are today K-pop bonus reaction is the lovely Luminous video called K-pop in public wanted set up impurities dance cover. I can't bear the cover. Now start review. I can't wait it. Let's go. Alright. There we go, guys. Wait a minute. That's the resistance cover. I really like it. Russia. This is one of my favorite Russia dance cover tip. Also, guys, know that one thing brilliant is there a comment on my video right here. It can't be right, innit? It can't be right. Right here, this is a phenomenal. I can be their comment on this really small channel. Thank you so much. I really like it. Then I'm sorry. What the fuck? I didn't know that you're doing the comment in my YouTube channel. Horrible. Thank you so much. It can't be right. I didn't expect. I love your dance cover. That's lovely. That's so lovely. I think that's so lovely. Alright. 한국인들에게 아까 그 댓글을 번역해 드릴게요. 그 루미에서 가스커버 TV 제 채널에 와서 그 댓글 나와서 제가 그래가지고 그 루미네스가 고맙다고 하니까 제가 뭐라고 했냐면 정확하게 병확하면 씨발 what the fuck 나는 여기에 커멘트를 달지 나의 제 커멘트를 달지 몰랐다. 이거 쩐다. 고맙다. 믿기지 않는다. 예상 못했다. 나는 너의 댄스 커버를 좋아한다. 그것은 엄청 좋은 거다. 엄청 좋다. That's lovely가 그 한국에선 그 미국에선 잘 안 쓰는데 영국에서 많이 쓴다. 그래요? 미국에서 쓰긴 하는데 영국에서 좀 더 많이 써가지고. I just lovely is most used more common in UK, but in America we cannot use it. Compare UK. Wow, this is phenomenal, isn't it? Their dance is phenomenal. Alright. Keep going, keep crushing. Wait, what the fuck? There is 10 years today? Because I saw that other video that had 10 years anniversary in this channel. Is it? Indeed, what the fuck? I gotta react this video later. Alright, let's go. Okay, this looks phenomenal, isn't it? Really good. That dance is so lovely, so gorgeous, isn't it? Wow. I remember this one member is from the Russia but abroad in the Korean people. speak Korean language and these all members speak in Korea. They so love it as they so brilliant. I feel they are really like Korea. I love Russia group, dance cover group because they are phenomenal cover. Alright. Okay. Alright. That is so cool. Imperialism. Am I correct? I have no idea. Am I read correct? I don't know fucking right there or not. That is so fantastic. Wow, this camera, it is one take, it's unbelievable. Alright. That is so lovely, kawaii. Alright. Guys, people, please subscribe and thumbs up notification bell and share my video. Also, don't forget fuck. People, please subscribe, thumbs up notification bell and share my video. Also, check out my live stream. It will be hard for me a lot. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be right at you. Bye.